Khadija's wealth changed the fate of Islam. Let me ask you, brothers, do you not think that it was possible for the Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to switch things around? For example, let Khadija just be a normal housewife to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. She didn't have to be wealthy. Everything is in Allah's hands, right? He drew this map for us. He drew this beautiful painting for us of the early days of the religion of Islam. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala could have easily chosen a man to step into the life of Rasulullah, who is very wealthy, and told Rasulullah, Ya Rasulullah, everything I have is for you. And Rasulullah would have just married a normal, ordinary, average, and when it comes to finances, woman. But Allah chose to keep the wealth with Khadija, so she inspires women within the course of history and within our community until today.